What is a market analysis? Successful businesses often decide to expand their operations through higher production rates or additional stores. A market analysis helps businesses make sure they understand how increasing volume, location, or another aspect will impact their bottom line. Conducting a market analysis involves research into many aspects of a business's industry and the overall market. In this video, we explain what a market analysis is, what you can learn from a market analysis, what to include in a market analysis, and the data resources you need. A market analysis is an in-depth evaluation of a market to determine suitability for a business or product. This assessment uses qualitative and quantitative measurements to outline tangible and intangible factors in the market. A market analysis detects the benefits and risks of a new market for a business. Market analyses can be applied to the field in which a business is already operating or a new market into which a business is hoping to move. A market analysis targets the business's specific industry within the larger market to see if its prospects have a strong future. Due to the depth of research necessary, some businesses choose to hire firms to complete their market analyses for them. However, it is possible to complete a market analysis on your own. Conducting market analysis. Various industries use market analyses, which are assessments of a company's target market. Understanding what a market analysis is and how to perform one can let you help a company remain competitive and profitable. There are 3 main steps to completing a market analysis for most businesses, and these are: research the industry. Understand your audience. Know how you stack up against competitors. Let me now explain them one by one. 1. Research the industry. Now it's time to understand the industry as a whole. Researching your chosen industry helps you get a bird's-eye view of the market landscape. When researching your particular industry for your market analysis, consider the following. Market size. Estimate how many businesses and customers are in your potential industry. A big market could be saturated and require you to niche down more specifically, whereas a smaller market could mean there's lots of opportunity for new businesses. Market value. Get insight into how much money the industry generates each year. Lots of consumer spending means there's plenty of opportunity for you to claim your slice of the pie. Market demand. As many as 42% of new business startups fail because of insufficient demand, so it's essential to validate that people want what you offer before you pursue your idea. Market need. Identify gaps in the market and how the existing landscape falls short in those areas. 2. Understand your audience. Now it's time to drill deeper into your research and understand your target market, the people behind the demand in your industry. This step involves customer research and segmenting your audience based on shared characteristics. When researching your potential audience, you want to know the following: how old they are, where they live, where they work, what they do, and how much they make, where and how they shop, what they buy, and how much money they spend, what technology they use, how they interact with brands, their current market perceptions, their pain points and challenges. If you don't already have an audience you can leverage, you might invest in focus groups for your own research purposes. 3. Know how you stack up against competitors. Much like you want to know about your audience when you're conducting a market analysis, you also want to understand the competitive landscape. Knowing who your competitors are helps you pin how your brand is different and how you can differentiate yourself from other players in the market. It's important to differentiate yourself from competitors because this will increase perceived value and push customers to purchase your options instead of the same or similar options from other brands or businesses. Market analysis for business plan. It's good to have a comprehensive market analysis documented for internal purposes. This is especially helpful for marketing and business development teams. You may create a shortened version for your business plan. Your business plan is another comprehensive document that outlines all areas of your business, including your market analysis and other elements such as business structure, operations and logistics, and financials. So, when you prepare the market analysis section for your business plan, you'll want to summarize the findings from your full in-depth analysis. Narrow your analysis down to the most important information that most convincingly validates your idea and likelihood of success. Remember what type of business plan you're writing and who you're writing it for. Feel free to use bullet points, tables, and charts to make the information presentable. If you're drafting a business plan for your business, you can start with our free business plan template to guide you through each section. Components of market analysis. A thorough market study is necessary whether you're launching a new company or streamlining current operations. Reaching your business objectives will be challenging, if not impossible, if your market has not been properly assessed. A market study provides you with all the information you require about your sector, rivals, and clients who have a direct impact on the expansion of your company. Your market analysis should look at the following: industry, target market, external factors, business goals. Let us discuss the 4 subheadings in details. 1. Industry. This component should include the following at minimum. Market share. What is your company's share of the market? This is best illustrated with a graph or chart. Competitors. Who are your direct competitors? What is their share of the market? Projected growth. How quickly and broadly do you expect your business to grow? What data do you have to support this forecast? Life cycle. Where is your industry in the overall industry life cycle? Does the life cycle support a move at this time? Industry updates. Is there anything new happening in the industry? If so, how will the changes impact your overall industry and your individual business? Expectations. How do you expect your total industry to grow and change in the future? How will that growth affect your business? 2. Target market. This component should include the following at minimum. Market size. How large is the market? How has it grown in the last few years? Market customer. Who is the target customer? Where do they live? How old are they? What is their income level? Be as specific as you can. Market health. Is the target market large enough or growing quickly enough to support your entry into the market? 3. External factors. This component should include the following at minimum. Taxes. How will the shift in the market affect your taxes? Interest rates. Is your business stable enough to handle shifting interest rates? Technology. Do you anticipate society-wide technological advances to positively or negatively impact your business? What plans do you have in place to support these changes? Regulatory changes. Are there any forecasted regulatory changes that might impact your business? Could these regulatory changes impact your bottom line? Environment. Do you foresee any environmental changes that might change your business outcomes? 4. Business goals. This component should include the following at minimum. Growth. What is your anticipated percentage of growth? What data do you have to support this estimation? Profits. How do you expect profits to change as a result of entering a new market? If you anticipate an initial decline in profits, when do you expect revenue to exceed expenses? Product expansion. Will this growth allow for higher production? Will this growth allow for the introduction of a new product to the market? Data resources for market analysis. Below is a list of tools and resources to help you conduct market research, survey and feedback tools to query and analyze your shoppers, data tools and resources to study your opportunities, and tools to help you learn more about your customers, identify new product potential, and even analyze competitors. Data is a vital component of market analysis. The following list of resources will provide reliable data for your market analysis. Demographic data, competitor information, market research, financials. Let's discuss them further. 1. Demographic data. It is important to research your target customers and learn as much about them as you can. You can use the Bureau of Labor Statistics website of a particular country to search for information about specific demographics. Information breakdowns are available by identifying characteristics or locations. 2. Competitor information. Gather as much data as possible about your competitors' businesses and products. You can find information about their corporate structure and team members on their websites. Publicly traded companies have their financial information available through the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. 3. Market research. Market research data can be found or collected in several different ways. Your company could administer a survey to potential customers in your target area. You could conduct a focus group to learn more about your target market. Ask current customers for feedback in the form of surveys. 4. Financials. Your company's financials will be an important part of your market analysis. Use past income statements and statements of cash flow to guide your future business planning. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to visit our online educational platform at www.eduslides.com by registering for free courses. Guess what? You can as well earn a certificate of completion after completing your course, and you don't have to pay to register. Why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos by clicking the subscribe button below?